joint meeting.
Yes.
All the organizations who have given their representation were present for this item,
Okay.
including the other departments also,
Okay.
WRT, even Captain of Port was there, our Honorable MLA of NAPSA and even Aldona was there.
Yes, yes.
So at that moment we have seen that there was some debris. One bridge here was constructed and some debris were there. Due to that debris, the flow of water was not
Getting blocked.
Yeah. That's why, and there was stagnation of water over here.
Yes.
So after considering, we have written letter to all the departments to remove the debris.
Okay.
The one only department was the PWD highway.
Okay. Okay.
They have done that highway work and all.
Okay.
So after that instructions and all by the chairperson and MLA, the debris now has been cleared, I think so.
Okay. Inspection. What was the purpose of the inspection? The purpose of the inspection is two things. One is to understand what are the challenges of the departments that are concerned with this river. Many departments have problems. They are trying to solve it on their own. We wanted that by joint inspection, we are trying to connect 10 different departments with each other. So this was the first effort. Second point is to see ahead. What is the possibility of going ahead? As you know today, every consumer, and being a consumer organization, as a consumer organization, people are concerned about their right, which is very correct. But to exercise your right, you must also take the responsibility. खूपशे आम्ही गिरायकाक सांगता कंप्लेन करपाक तुजो हक्क आसा पण जबाबदारी आसा ती कंप्लेन बरोवपाक जाय बरयल्या ती कंप्लेन जायना न्हू उलोवपाक सोंपें सो इन दिस रिगार्ड वी हॅव बीन लुकिंग एट द न्यू कंज्युमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019 and what it can do and how it can help the consumer to improve the life of the people here in Goa. Together with that, as you know, Tar River has been discussed for a long time. Many discussions have taken place. Now what we are trying to do, to try to connect it with what is going on at a global level. आता United Nations and 10 वर्षाचा प्रोग्राम डिक्लेअर केला. What they call restoration of the ecosystem. खंय डॅमेज जाला, कशें तें परत सारकें करपाक जाता, हो प्रोसेस सुरू जाल्लो आसा. आनी एज गोवा is part of the central government setup, we can also access all the programs. The government department itself can access the program first of capacity building, officer training job, special project घालप, की खंयचे फंड आसा ते हाडप, हे सगळे करूंक शकता. So for that there is a need for integration. पुढो प्रोग्राम ऑक्टोबरान घेतले जेन्ना हे सगळे फीडबॅक आमी गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटाच्यान मेळ्ळे उपरांत there is our Bastara Panchayat, which is also on the border. There is Moira and there are other villages which are panchayats which are bordering the river. During the 2nd October, we are going to push for special Gram Sabha discussion on how the village panchayat can help the rejuvenation of Tar River. Oh, आम्ही प्रयत्न करतले. We have already started the process by Directorate of Panchayats and the concerned BDO. Finally, the first phase we are going to draw the conclusion on 19 November. That is World Toilet Day. आज आमचे न्हंय जे आसा, आमचे वॉटर बॉडी जे आसा, कितलेशे आमचे टॉयलेट वेस्ट, ह्युमन एक्सक्रिटा हितून वयता. तेजेर लक्ष घालपाक वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ मेजर फोकस. गिरायकाक, प्रत्येक गिरायकाक विचारपाचें, बाबा हांव संडासान गेलो, ते संडासाचे सेप्टीक आनी ते खंय वयता, हे प्रश्न घालप. तेन्ना आमची जबाबदारी येतली.